In this video, I'll show you 3 awesome ways to make money online. Using these methods, I make thousands of dollars in passive income every single month, just like what you can see here on the screen. They are really easy to set up and are completely newbie friendly, so keep watching to find out what they are. My name is Greg Kononenko. You might also know me as the Caffeinated Blogger, and on this YouTube channel, I put out regular tutorials related to making money online, blogging, and traffic generation. Subscribe to my YouTube channel just below and click the bell notification icon to make sure that you never miss my future tutorials. Alright, now let's get into the video. Hi once again and welcome to today's masterclass. In this masterclass today we're talking about how to make money online. And I've got a lot of things prepared for you. I'm hoping that you're really going to enjoy today's video. So I'm going to be talking about passive money machines today. I'm going to walk you through exactly what that means, but in essence, this is different to trading time for dollars. I'm a big fan of passive income online. That's what I've been working on for several years now, and I'm going to share with you my 3 best types of these passive money machines. We're going to go through each one by one, so stick with me, and I hope that you like and implement at least one of these, or maybe even all 3 of them. So first of all, let's just talk about why passive money machines. So in essence, I'm a big believer in passive income. You might have a day job right now, like I did for a long time. I worked in a corporate world and I wanted to start to work online, to be my own boss, have my own online business. That's why I got into internet marketing. And I believe that most people who want to switch from working a full-time job, they do it because they want to get more freedom, right? You don't want to get another job, so to speak, working online. So for example, you can be a website designer and you can work online, but you will still be trading your money for dollars. You can only make a limited amount of money in a limited amount of time. You might only work 9 hours a day. You'd be crazy to work like 12 or 16-hour days every single day online. It's just not worth it. So passive money machines that I'm going to show you in just a moment how to build. For them, you can get paid while you sleep. So once you've done the work, you actually get paid forever once you do that initial setup work. The other cool thing is that you can take time off and you're still getting paid. So for example, I took a month off over December and January, a total of a month off. And all of these passive money machines that I set up, they still continue making me money all the time. And lastly, of course, the more machines you make, the more money you can make. So you can't scale your own time. For example, if you're working as a web designer, you might make $50 an hour. And if you work 8 hours a day, that's $400 for you. But you can't really scale beyond that. So even if you are making money online, so to speak, you can't really reach beyond this $400 a day. With money machines, because they're passive, I'm going to show you how I set those up myself. Because they're passive, you can set up as many as you like and then just continue watching, like growing them, and they'll continue working for you. So with that out of the way, let's talk about money machine type 1. So money machine type 1 is Pinterest plus Adsense. Let me show you some of the results that I'm getting with that setup of this money machine. All right, so I'm here on one of my websites. I'm here on the travelcroc.com website. I run several online blogs in different niches. Obviously, Travel Croc is in the travel niche. And the way that I make money with the Travel Croc website is from people coming to my website and then clicking these ads. You can see that if they come to my site, right, they can click any of these articles. They can look at these articles. And if they click any of these sponsored links here, all right, so I've got ads at the very top, I've got ads in the sidebar, and then I've got ads further down on the page. As soon as somebody clicks on one of those ads, I get paid an amount of money. Now, to give you an idea on the sort of money that you can make, I'm going to jump into my Google Adsense account and I'm going to show you some of these, how much just some of these pages actually generate. So I'm here inside my Google Adsense account. I'm going to have to black out some of the stats because Google don't actually like you showing how much you can make per page view and so on. So what you will see here, what I will leave is the some of the URLs of these sites and also the estimated earnings. Okay, so you can see that, for example, the top one, which is best survey apps to make money. All right, this one here, that's hustle.com, best survey apps to make money. This one has made me $204. That's just from one page. Now, Also, Google actually, you have to set up tracking separately for each single URL. I haven't done it for all of the URLs or all of my websites. I only did it for some of the first articles that I set up, and then I just said whatever I make is fine. So not all of the URL or like specific page tracking here is set up. But for the ones that I did, you can see the amounts that I've made. So let's just kind of walk through what I'm doing with these best survey apps to make money. Okay, this article here. So you can see I've made $204 from it. This is what the article looks on my That's Hustle website. So it's that'shustle.com. You can see the URL here. Whenever someone lands on this page, all right, just like with the Travel Croc website, I've got ads set up. So if someone clicks on one of these ads, I make money. That's how I made these $204. So the missing kind of component here is getting traffic to this page, right? Because as you can imagine, if you can just send a lot of traffic to this page, you can make a lot of money. The more traffic you send, the more money you make. Makes sense, right? The way that I get traffic to this particular page, and kind of as we discussed here, right, this money machine is Pinterest plus AdSense. AdSense is the name for Google Ads for these ads that I'm showing on my site. And the way that I'm getting traffic is from Pinterest. So this is a Pinterest pin. I've just recently put out a video, very detailed video on Pinterest traffic, so you can check that out if you want. There should be a card here. I'll put a card that you can use to check out that video as well. But basically, this is an example of a pin image that I placed on Pinterest, and I distribute it across Pinterest automatically in a lot of different ways. And whenever someone actually clicks on this pin like this, they land on my site. Okay, so the more times I distribute these pins, I've got like 10, 20, probably around 20 copies of this pin. They're all getting clicks all the time, and people land on this page. As soon as someone clicks and they land here, they land on these, they click on these ads, I get paid an amount of money. That's literally as simple as that. All you need to do is just create these pins, distribute them on Pinterest, and you can start making money. Okay, so it's 100% newbie friendly because you don't actually need to sell anything. You don't need anyone to buy anything. You just get paid for people clicking stuff on your website. So super simple to get started with. It's extremely newbie friendly. It's probably the simplest way you can possibly make money online. Now, if you are unsure how to actually go about getting traffic from Pinterest and getting them to click your pins and everything else, then make sure that you grab the Pinterest traffic course in the description below. It's 100% free, and you can access it, and it'll walk you through step-by-step setup of exactly how you can get traffic from Pinterest and how you can monetize it and so on. So now let's move on to the strategy number 2, or money machine type number 2, which is Pinterest plus affiliate marketing. So once again, it's one of those things that basically you can set up these money pages and these pins, and you can just continue growing them, getting more and more traffic, setting up more of them, and making more and more money. So first of all, I want to show you an example of what a money machine, which is Pinterest plus affiliate marketing, actually looks like, and I'm going to show you some of the examples of the earnings that I've had as well. All right, so I'm here on my That's Hustle website again, and this is another page that I drive traffic to from Pinterest that makes me commissions. So this page is that'shustle.com, why I switched to SiteGround. So this particular page is dedicated to my review and my opinion on SiteGround hosting, which I think is the best hosting out there. That's where I host all of my sites, so I highly recommend them. And I wrote an article. It took me about 1 hour to write an article about my experience and the reasons why I switched to SiteGround hosting. So I said it's amazing customer service and so on. And each of these little links here that you see is actually an affiliate link, okay? So if someone reads my article and they really like and they think that they want to switch to SiteGround hosting, then they can click one of those links and it will take them to the page where they can sign up for SiteGround hosting. Now, because this link is a special link, it will attribute any sale that is made through that link to me, right? So I'm an affiliate for SiteGround, and if someone ends up signing up for SiteGround hosting through after clicking my link, then I get paid a very nice commission. Now here I am inside my SiteGround users area. Again, I'm going to have to hide a couple of things here because I don't want to give away sort of my trade secrets, so to speak, in terms of the campaigns that I run. But as you can see here, I had really good months in November, December, and in January I've had a sale so far as well. And the commissions are really good, right? It's like $75, $50 per sale, depending on your levels of sale in every particular month. And the way that I get the traffic to this page, to this money page, like to this money machine, is once again through Pinterest. So I created a pin image that actually looks very similar to this, 8 reasons why I switched my blog hosting to SiteGround, and I distribute it automatically to a lot of kind of boards and communities, etc. on Pinterest. And I'm getting a lot of clicks and I'm getting a lot of signups from that automatically. So if you would like to learn more about how you can kind of automate that traffic from Pinterest, you can grab the free course just in the description below. If you scroll down below the video, you'll see a link to grab my 100% free Pinterest traffic course there as well. But hopefully that gives you an idea that you can actually make money using affiliate marketing combined with Pinterest as well. That's just another type of money machine. And guys, look, the more of these you set up, right, the more money you can make. It's just literally about looking at them as kind of like a money machine, right? Once you've got some content that you can monetize, and once you've automated the traffic to it, you can just create more and more and more of these. And even if each one is only making you, $50 a month or $10 a month or $100 a month, imagine what you can do if you scale this up more and more. So with that said, let's move on to money machine type 3. Big reveal here. So money machine type 3 is YouTube plus YouTube ads. Now, I know that possibly a lot of you are saying, I don't want to do YouTube, I don't want to be on camera. And you know what? That's completely fine, because I've just shown you the other 2 types of machines that you can implement if you are absolutely terrified of being on video. And I was very, very scared of being on video as well. It's kind of weird, I'm sitting here in my room talking to myself, and I know that this video is probably going to get seen by thousands, maybe tens of thousands of people eventually. So it is pretty scary. It's scary to do YouTube videos. But the thing with pretty much any business, and especially online business, is that there are things that work really well. And if you are scared of being on camera and being on YouTube, then there are hundreds of people that are not scared, and those people might actually succeed, because if you're willing to do what other people are not willing to do, you can often get better rewards. So if you possibly are worried about YouTube, I would just say just give it a go, because YouTube is extremely powerful. Let me show you some of the examples, and then we're going to walk through exactly what you can do with YouTube. So here are my earnings for just one of the videos that I made back in August. So it's been about 5 months, and that video has had a ton of views. I'm gonna have to hide some of the stats here, because YouTube is a little bit sensitive as well about what you reveal and what you don't reveal. But what I can tell you is that so far I've made $1,336 just in ad revenue from this one video. And this video took me a couple of hours to create. Over the course of a year, it'll probably go on to make me, let's say, $2,000. And that's really good, when you think that you were able to spend 2 or 3 hours making a video and then make $2,000 from it. And it will continue generating money, month after month, day after day, week after week. Another video that I'm going to show you here is this one. So this one has made me $845 so far. So it hasn't been kind of as popular, but still it's really, really good outcome when you think about just the amount of time that you spend. If you can literally spend just a couple of hours doing this, and it can generate the sort of money that I'm showing you guys here. Now, YouTube is actually completely passive. You don't really have to worry about even getting traffic, because YouTube comes with its own traffic, right? You don't need to get traffic from Pinterest or from anywhere else, because your content, as long as your content is good, your content is just going to get discovered by YouTube, and by YouTube users. YouTube will actually promote it to the user base. The thing with YouTube is that you can actually have a YouTube channel in literally any niche. Some niches pay better than others. For example, niches that are about making money, or about finance, or about business, or about health and wellness and losing weight, they pay more than a niche that's dedicated to, for example, just some funny videos. But you can easily make videos in pretty much any niche. you actually can get a lot more views in some niches than in others. For example, the business and the money niches, they are kind of not as popular as some of the funny or some of the more viral niches. So even if you're making less per view, but you're getting a lot more views, that's still totally worth it. In my experience, it's quite easy to make at least $100 for a video that you make per video. Okay. I can also see, even though my channel is kind of new, I can also see how it's very easy to make $2,000 or more for every short video that you create. With YouTube, you do need to have at least 4,000 watch hours before you can have your videos monetized, but that's completely fine. It might just only take a few months to crack these 4,000 watch hours. The other cool thing is that YouTube will pay you even if people don't buy anything, right? YouTube just pays you an amount per view. So literally all that needs to happen for you to get paid is for someone to watch your video. So it's super simple. As long as your video is high quality, you can go ahead and you can make it, and you can get monetized, and you can make money. So you can make money from ads, obviously, as we've talked about, but the other things that you can do, you can make money from affiliate marketing. So what I mean by that is you can implement links in the description of your video just below the video title. And if you put in any affiliate links and someone buys something through that link, then you can get paid as well. I want to show you some of the examples of the affiliate earnings that I'm making from YouTube videos. I'm here inside my Share a Sale account, and I recommended Tailwind, which is Pinterest related software that has a free pricing tier. I recommended that in my last video, and look at the amount of signups that I'm getting. So 127, which is basically today, US time, 5:28 p.m., 3:57 p.m., 3:38 p.m., 2:58 p.m., 2:35 p.m., 12:07 p.m., 11:30 a.m. So I'm getting like a sign up per hour, okay, into this affiliate program that pays 50 cents for each free sign up. So people don't even have to do anything. It's just as soon as they sign up, I get paid 50 cents. Now, if they later upgrade their membership, I get paid for that as well. I get paid a recurring commission. So it's amazing. That's just one of the examples. I'm promoting a lot of affiliate programs. I won't kind of bore you with all of the details now, but I just wanted to make sure that you know that YouTube and affiliate marketing actually works really well. So apart from ads, you can also do affiliate marketing. Lastly, you can also build your email list, which is a very important part of any kind of online marketing. You've probably heard that already, that you need to build an email list. So YouTube is excellent for building an email list. If you guys want to jump on my email list, you're obviously welcome to check out the link in the description below and get the full course there, since we're talking about email lists. But yeah, building your email list on YouTube is very powerful. It's an excellent platform for you. And lastly, I guess the other thing that I really love about YouTube is that there are just so many different ways to monetize it. It's not just the ads. Each video that you put out will make you money from ads, from affiliate marketing. It will build your list, and it will also get you more subscribers. So it's like a self-growing, a perpetually growing, self-feeding kind of beast and machine. So I really suggest that you check out and seriously consider starting your own YouTube channel as well. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed these 3 methods to make money online. Do make sure to hit the subscribe button just below this video. Also hit that bell notification icon to make sure that you never miss my future videos. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next video.